Bring a splash of vibrant colors and stunning themes to your aquarium. If you have a fish habitat or a fish tank, you might feel the need to have a beautiful themed background for your fishes. Not only does it adds visual depth to the aquarium but also hides the hoses, cords, tubes, filters and the unwanted stains. It is one of the things that affect the color and behavior of the fish and helps them feel more ease, as fishes tend to get stressed by looking at their reflection. Clings support the well-being of your pets by adding beauty and excitement to their surrounding environment. You can create a beautiful themed fish tank set up by choosing from our wide range of different themed backgrounds, i.e., corals, ruins, tropical, ocean floor and classic black. Aquatic Creations designers collectively have over 50 years' experience with aquarium products used for saltwater fish, freshwater fish, tropical corals, reef systems, and ponds in both home and business environments. Our unique static cling backgrounds will bring years of enjoyment and viewing enhancement to your tank. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. I rolled it the other way around to make it more flat and made it easier to cut to fit. I used 2 small pieces of tape to hold the corners. It went on in seconds and looks great. As you see in my pic, the image is not as sharp and clear as the advertised pic. I thought that was perfect, as that's how it would look in real life. Slightly blurred effect makes the foreground more pronounced and gives the tank depth. I wanted the background to give my fish a bit more privacy, as they like to hide. They seem to enjoy looking at it, and it reflects off the sides. It hides all the cords, and I think it makes my tank better. Should have gotten this a long time ago.